And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the sort method, which can be used to rearrange the elements in an array in alphabetical order. When we print out the ARR array, you can see banana to grape. So this is the regular array. And now we add .sort to it. I refresh the browser and now it's apple, banana, grape, mango, pear. So it goes through the array, finds the A right here for apple, then B for banana, then G for grape, M for mango, P for pear. Keep in mind that this changes the array, so if we print out the ARR without the sort method now, it will be in this new order, so apple will be the index 0, and then banana, grape, mango, pear. And this I can use this sort method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.